Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware 11035. Here's what it looks like. This folding shelf bracket, first of all, is priced per pair of brackets. So when you order one, you're going to get a package of two. Okay, they're sold, the unit of measure here is a package of two, priced per pair of brackets. Pack 2 per poly bag in the extended description below this video. This is the 12 by 12 size, and we'll go over all the sizes in a moment. This is in white. Ultra Hardware does have a series of brackets that are in the gray color as well. So, the 11035 by Ultra is a folding and locking shelf bracket. Okay, as you can see. This riveted hinge attaches to the wall. This side, I should say, is the wall portion. Okay. The locking mechanism is engaged by pulling the top of this bracket slightly up, a very small degree. You want to make sure that when you attach your shelf to the top that you've got that small margin that you'll need to pull that up. Okay. Once it's pulled up, you'll be able to fold it in. Take a look at it from the other side as well. And it will fold down. This is the 12 by 12 size. Let's go over those sizes now. The overall length of the top is about 11 7/8. They call it 12 by 12, but it's this sample that I've got here is about 11 7/8, as you can see. The height of this, when it is in the open position, is much closer to 12 inch. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's a little heavy on 12 inch, so about 12 1/8 is what that is. When this is in the closed position, it's going to fold down okay, so that leg is going to be about 11 inch. When it's in the closed position, the top here to the bottom here is about 11 inch. And now we're, roughly 12 by 12. I mean, it's fractionally different. This is about 11 7/8 on this sample. There's probably a small amount of variation when they're manufacturing these. And this is just about 12 1/8. Okay. We use a little high school math. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's say 144 plus 144, 288, the square root of that. Having already done that math, it's about 17 inch. So the dimension from here down to here is 17 inch. It's technically about 16 and 15/16. Okay. The projection off of the wall, not including your shelf, about inch and 11/16. The width on this looks like it's inch and 3/16. The wall portion, closer to, it is smaller. No, it's not. It's inch and 1/8. The width of that is inch and 1/8 on both sides. Okay. Locking mechanism is nice. I've personally installed these in a closet area where I've had need to temporarily put larger things into this closet, and I wanted to be able to fold these back. And with easy anchors, a branded, drywall large spiral thread type of easy anchor, I have personally placed the equivalent of at least 50 pounds. Two cases of paper, which is realistically more than 50 pounds. And a pair of these brackets had no problem whatsoever handling that sort of weight. So I I estimate with the proper anchors, you'd be able to have 50 pounds, on this. At least in my actual experience, I have had that much on there. Although my, I knew that my anchoring was quite solid because the easy anchors were the stud type, went into the stud, and I know that my screws pierced into the stud work. So that had, I'm sure, something to do with the success that I had with these brackets. Sold in a specific multiple because that's how Ultra sells them. You have to buy them in multiples of 3, meaning 3 pair is what you're going to end up getting. So you'll have to buy 3, which means you'll get 3 pair of these, or multiples of 3. Does not include, really anything in the way of instructions other than what's in the extended description. They do include some screws here, which may or may not be appropriate for what you're doing. Short ones for the top, and longer ones, short ones for attaching to your your shelf on top. Longer ones for attaching to the wall. They may or may not be appropriate for what you're doing, but nonetheless, they are included. If you have any questions on the 11035 Ultra Hardware 12x12 shelf bracket or any other Ultra product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.